Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahmi Shahabuddin bin Muhammad Syahrin. Today, we want to present about Project 3 Numerical Ordinary Differential Equation Method. We are from Group 1, Section 10.
Ordinary differential equations (ODEs) are widely used in engineering, science, and mathematics to describe real-world phenomena such as heat transfer, fluid flow, electric circuits, and population growth. However, many differential equations are too complex to be solved using exact analytic methods. Therefore, numerical methods are used to obtain approximate solutions with acceptable accuracy. These methods provide practical way to solve ODU by calculating the solution points over gain interval. In this project, three numerical methods are applied to solve first order ODE: the Ellul method, the second order Taylor series method, and the fourth order Runge-Kutta method. The results obtained from these methods are compared to evaluate the accuracy, efficiency, and stability for solving engineering problems. Through this comparison, the strengths and limitations of each method can be identified, providing a better understanding for numerical analysis and its application in engineering.
And next is a background of numerical methods for ODEs. So ordinary differential equation or ODEs are used to model many real-world engineering and scientific problems. They describe how a system changes with respect to an independent variable. In many cases, exact analytical solutions are difficult or impossible to obtain. Therefore, numerical methods are used to approximate solutions by calculating values step by step. These are methods. These methods are often based on the Taylor series expansions. So we can see this is the equations. So different numerical methods are obtained by truncating this series. So we have three series. Number one is a Euler method, keeps only the first term. And the second method is a Taylor series method, includes higher order terms. And third is a Ranch-Kutta or RK4, achieve high accuracy without explicitly using higher derivative.
Importance of approximating solution. Approximating solution of ODEs is very important in engineering and science for several reasons. Many real-world problems are to compare and do not have exact analytical solutions. Numerical methods are useful for engineering design, simulation, and prediction. They help the engineer understand the accuracy and limitation of solutions. Modern computers allow fast and efficient calculation for complex problems. Numerical solution can be used to verify and validate mathematical model. In this project, three numerical methods, Euler, Taylor series, and RK4 are used to solve. First order DE and compare their accuracy, efficiency, and error behavior.
So next is objective of the project. So the objective of the project is to solve the given initial value problem. So this is the problem. And number two is to apply three numerical methods like Euler method, second order Taylor series method, and fourth order Ranch-Kutta or RK4 method. And next is to compare the accuracy of all methods using the exact solution and error analysis. And next is to evaluate the efficiency and limitation of each method function, evaluation and implementation, and practical use. And lastly is to study the effect of step size on accuracy and stability of result.
Okay, so I will continue 2.0 problem statement. So for the first, we have initial problem IVP, the ODE, the standard form. So next, the equation is used to compare Euler method, second order Taylor series method, for order Rashkuta RK4. Okay, so next, second derivative for Taylor method. So this is all the differentiate and the substitute y prime. So the last is exact solution using the integrated factor method. So The question is yx equal 1 over 7 exponent 2x plus 6 over 7 exponent negative 3 over 2x. Okay, next 2.0 problem statement. I will continue. The number of iteration. So total iteration is 5. The total grid point is 6. The total number of iteration and n is calculated as follow 5 step. Next, grid points. This choice of step size yields 6 discrete grid points XO through X5, ensuring a comprehensive comparative analysis of the translation error across all three numerical framework without unnecessary algebraic redundancy.
For this slide, I will explain Euler method. Euler method is the first order differential method used to approximate the solution of first order ordinary differential equation. The main formula is yi plus 1 equal yi plus h times f of x I and I y I. For this project, the given function is f of x and y equal 0.5 e to the power of 2 time minus 2x minus 1.5 y. We start with the initial condition x0 equals 0 and y0 equal 1. The step size used is h equal 0.2. The procedure is simple. First, calculate the slope using f of x I and y I. Then multiply the slope by the step size. Finally, add the result to the current y value to obtain the next y value. Euler method is easy to apply, but its accuracy is lower because it only use the slope at the beginning of each interval. For the second slide, I will explain the second order Taylor series method. This method improves Euler method by including the second derivative terms. This means the method consider not only the slope but also the curvature of the solution. The main formula is yi plus 1 equal I plus h y prime I plus h square over 2 times y double prime I. For the given ODE, the first derivative is y prime equal f of x and y, which is 0.5 e to the power of 2x minus 1.5 y. The second derivative used in this project is y double prime equal 0 to zero point 0.5 e to the power of 2x plus 2.25 y. By substitute this into the Taylor formula, we obtain the final calculation formula shown in this slide. Overall, the second order Taylor series method is more accurate than Euler method because it includes both the slope and the curvature of the solution. So about the four order Rouge-Kutta method RK4, I will explain also known as RK4. The RK4 method gives a highly accurate approximation by using for slope estimation within one step interval. The main formula is yi plus 1 equal yi plus 1 over 6 times k, 1 plus 2 k, 2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. The first loop, K1, is calculated at beginning of interval. The second and third loop, K2 and K3, are calculated at the midpoint. The fourth loop, K4, is calculated at the end of the interval. For this project, all four loops are evaluated using the function f of x and y equals 0.5 e to the power of 2.5 to 2 x minus 1.5 y. RK4 is most accurate method in this project because it uses a weight average for slope of slope to estimate the next value. Move to the manual calculation for the first step. So, the initial condition is x0 equals 0 and y0 equal 1. This step size is h equals 0.2 and the function used is f of x and y equals 0.5 e to the power of 2x minus 1.5 y. For the Euler method, f of 0 and 1 equals 0.5 e to the power of 0 minus 1.5 times 1. This gives a negative 1. Therefore, y1 equals 1 plus 0.2 times negative 1, which gives y1 equal 0.8000. For the Taylor series method, the second derivative is y double prime equal 0.25 e to the power of 2x plus 2.25y. At the initial point y double prime, 0 equals 2.5. Substitute into the Taylor formula give y1 equals 0.8500. For RK4, the value is calculated using K1, K2, K3 and K4. The final RK4 approximation at the x equals 0.2 is y1 equal 0.8481. Okay, the tabular result, uh, they show the numerical result obtained of the exact solution, Euler method, Taylor series method, and RK4 method. The value are calculated from x equals 0 to x equals 1, with a step size of 0.2. From the table, we can see that RK4 gives value that are almost the same as exact solution. The Taylor series method also follow the exact solution closely. However, Euler method show a larger difference compared the exact solution, especially as x increase. Therefore, based on this table, RK4 give the closest approximation, while Euler show the largest deviation. So the error comparison to compare the error for Euler, Taylor and RK4 method. The error is calculated by taking the absolute difference between the exact value and the numerical value. From the table, Euler error increase the most as x increase. For example, the error become larger at each step, showing the Euler accumulate error more quickly. Taylor error remain small throughout the interval because it includes the second derivative term. RK4 has the smallest error overall, with value close to 0. This shows that RK4 is most accurate method among the three methods. Okay, the graphical comparison of numerical solution. The graph compare the exact solution with Euler, Taylor, and RK4 method. The exact solution is used as the reference curve. From the graph, RK4 overlap almost perfectly with the exact solution. This show that RK4 give a very accurate approximation. The Taylor series method also follow the exact curve closely, although uh, there are small there is a small difference at higher x value. Euler method deviative clearly from the exact solution is x increase. This happened because Euler method only used the first loop at the beginning of each interval. Overall, graph confirm that RK4 is the most accurate method, followed by the Taylor, while Euler is the least accurate. The last but not least, the error comparison of a numerical method. The the graph show the error comparison from the three numerical method. The Euler error increased significantly as the step number increase. This show that Euler method has a highest error accumulation. The Taylor error is much smaller than Euler error, which means Taylor give better accuracy. The RK4 error remain the almost zero throughout the interval, This proves that RK4 maintains the lowest error and the best stability among the three methods. In conclusion, highest order method produce better approximation. RK4 is the best method in this project because it gives the closest result to the exact solution with the smaller error.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aidil bin Hamid, CN250044. I would like to talk about result and discussion summary. First, Euler method use only the initial slope at each step, resulting in the lowest accuracy and the largest deviation from the exact solution. Taylor series method second order includes both first and second derivative, improving accuracy by considering the curvature of the solution. Runge-Kutta four order RK4 used for intermediate slope evaluation and provide the highest accuracy among all methods. Comparison of result. Numerical solution will compare with the exact solution at each step. RK4 produce value closest to the exact solution. Taylor series method show moderate accuracy. Euler method generate the larger errors. Graphical analysis. The RK4 curve almost overlap the exact solution throughout the interval. Taylor series method follows the exact solution closely with minor deviation. Euler method gradually diverge from the exact solution as the step number increase. Error analysis show that RK4 has the smallest and most stable error, while Euler has the faster error growth. Conclusion. RK4 is the most accurate and reliable numerical method, followed by the Taylor series method, while Euler method is the least accurate due to its simpler approximation approach. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Kamil Bermakasih. My name matrix number CN250055. Discussion of result summary, accuracy comparison. RK4 produce the smaller error and the highest accuracy. Taylor series method achieve moderate accuracy. Euler method generate the largest error and lowest accuracy. Error accumulation. Errors increase as computation progress. Euler method show the faster error growth. Taylor series reduce error accumulation. RK4 maintain the most stable and accurate results. Efficiency and computation cost. Euler method lowest computation cost. One function evaluation per step. Taylor series method require additional derivative calculation. RK4 highest computation cost for evaluation per step but offers superior accuracy. Effect of step size H. Smaller step size improve accuracy for all methods. However, smaller step size increase the computational time and resources. An appropriate balance between accuracy and efficiency is required. Method limitation. Euler low accuracy and sensitive to step size. Taylor series require higher order derivative which may be difficult to obtain. RK4 highly accurate but computationally more expensive. Conclusion. RK4 offer the best balance between accuracy and engineering in scientific application. Thank you.
To conclude, all three methods successfully approximate the solution of the differential equation. Among them, RK4 produced the most accurate result with the smallest error, while error method had the largest error. The result also showed that a smaller step size improved accuracy. Overall, numerical methods are very useful for solving a differential equation, especially when exact solutions are difficult to obtain. Thank you. That's all from our groups.